Hi, this is John from Unger. Traditional floor cleaning tools force you to use dirty water and dirty mops. That's no way to clean your floors. Unger is excited to introduce OmniClean, specifically designed to keep the dirty water separate from the clean water. So now let me take you through a few of the key features. 1. This kit includes the patented OmniClean mop with a bottle on board. The bottle on board ensures that you always have the cleanest solution at the touch of a button. So to start cleaning, simply fill the bottle with your preferred solution, snap it into place, and you're ready to go. Use the actuator to dispense the solution. Once you have your preferred amount on the ground, that's when you can start the cleaning process. When you're ready to clean the mop, dunk it into the soil catching bucket. Use the scrub board to remove the dirt and debris from the mop head. At the heart of our OmniClean is keeping dirty water separated from clean water, which simply allows you to clean better. In fact, a recent study indicated that OmniClean was faster, safer, and cleaner than traditional cleaning methods. So stop trying to clean with dirty water and dirty mops and start truly cleaning with OmniClean.